Koller cooling tower installation guidance. Tools required: electric drill, electric wrench, screwdriver. Cooling tower components: bottom basin, shell body, film, cooling fan, central pipe, water spread pipe and support. Note: the cooling tower must be installed on flat and solid ground with good ventilation. Do not interfere traffic and personnel. Apply PVC glue to one end of the central tube. Insert the return elbow. And adjust the verticality of the central tube. Install the support column. Note that gasket must be installed above and below the installation screws to increase the stress-bearing area. Put the gold steel ring on the central tube and fix it briefly. After adjusting the direction, place two support rods. Confirm that the height is consistent with the height of support column. Tighten the gold steel ring fixing screws. And install all the support rods. Carefully insert the film. Install the sewing head. Water spread pipe. Pay attention to the angle of the water spread pipe. Install the shell body. And tighten all mounting screws. Assemble the cooling fan blades. Pay attention to the angle between the center disc and the fan blades. And tighten the fixing screws. Install the cooling motor to the bracket and tighten the screws. Install the fan blade. Please make sure that the groove in the inner hole of the center plate is aligned with the groove pin of the motor shaft. The groove pin on the motor shaft must not be missing, and the concave side of the fan blade is facing down. Carefully install the cooling fan to the top of the cooling tower. Adjust the distance between the end of the fan blades and the cooling tower shell. And use an electric drill to drill holes to fix the cooling fan. Install the water absorption filter. Water replenishment float valve. And return air net. The cooling tower installation is completed. Please connect the water pipes according to the connecting diagram of the cooling tower bottom basin. The above is cooling tower installation steps.